Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge in a new video. So I'm going to add extension and this is a common issues when you creating extensions in 700 series. If I want to add extension 700 and I'm getting the error message extension already exists. So what could be the reason? Creating extensions in the 700 or 7xx range on Grandstream's UCM63 series PBX can present challenges due to the system's default configurations. Especially the UCM PBX reserves certain extension ranges for predefined features. Call parking. By default, the system assigns extension 700 as the parking load extension with slots ranging from 701 to 720. Attempting to create extensions within these reserved ranges without adjusting the default settings can lead to conflicts and making the creation process unsuccessful. So now we need to adjust the call parking extensions, which is under the basic call features, parking load option. So as you can see here, default extension of the parking load is 700 and the parking load slot start with 701 to 720 and we need to adjust it. So we can give any number. So I'm giving 9700 and same range start with the slot, and after modifying this we'll go back to the extension option and here we can add extensions. So here you can see there is no error message now, or we can add batch for complete 700 range extension, like I'm adding extension in the range of 700 and without getting any error we are able to add extensions here. So this is a very short video just to know how you can solve this issue, as this comes always when you are creating extensions in the range of 700 series. So you have to modify your call parking extension range and the slot, then you can add extensions without any issue. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.